A recent sale of virtual real estate worth millions, skyrocketing interest rates and how to protect yourself from them, why people are FOMOing into real estate, and some jaw-dropping stats for the Calgary real estate market. If you are looking to get into the Calgary real estate market, you do not want to miss this. What's up guys, Felix Chan here, realtor and mortgage broker with the LiveInnerCity real estate team, and today is a special episode because I'm joined by Zach, our newest member of our team.
Hey guys, I'm super pumped. Let's get straight into the video. We are going to go through everything Felix just mentioned, and we're going to share our advice for buyers, sellers, and investors at the end, so stay tuned for that.
Virtual land. So I am a huge crypto fanatic, and the space is just so fascinating. There's something called the metaverse, and you've probably heard about it because Facebook rebranded themselves to Meta. It's basically a 3D world, and a piece of real estate just sold for $2.43 million in Decentraland. This is virtual real estate, guys, and it is gaining so much ground. There's even REITs being formed for these real estate purchases. And by the way, if you're holding a large bag of crypto and you want to get a mortgage here in Canada, it is possible. Now, banks don't recognize crypto as an asset, so you have to reallocate your funds to get a mortgage. If you want to know how to do that, type crypto mortgage in the comments below. Now, blockchain and crypto is going to disrupt every industry, including real estate. Now, I'm not promoting crypto on this channel, even though I'm a big crypto bull, but what I'm saying is do not ignore it. Interest rates are skyrocketing. Now, since the last market update I did in October, the 5-year fixed rates have gone up about 0.35%. Looking at the Canada 5-year bond yield chart, you can see that we had the lowest rates in the first quarter of 2020, and we have been increasing since. For a better representation, you can see that by the 1-year chart that starting in September, rates have been going to the moon. Kind of like crypto. And if you're looking at the variable rates, the good news is that it stayed the same. So if your budget allows for a potential increase in monthly payments due to fluctuating prime rate, then going with the variable rate kind of makes the most sense today.
So why people are FOMOing into real estate? So investors from BC and Ontario are buying up properties here, and we know that because a lot of our subscribers are from those provinces. In fact, we've helped 8 investor groups buy property in Calgary in the last 2 weeks because the price of acquisition is lower and you can cash flow, which is something you can't do in those provinces. And by the way, if you are an investor and you want to build a portfolio of real estate, buying cash flow in properties is what's going to help you qualify for more properties because the income helps offset your debt service ratios. Other reasons are rates are going up, prices are going up, sales are high, and inventory is low. It's basic supply and demand. And based on this report by RBC, Canadians are sitting on historic levels of savings, about $280 billion. So based on this increased purchasing power, RBC is forecasting strong demand for real estate for the foreseeable future.
And if you guys have found this info valuable so far, feel free to subscribe for more videos like this. We do our best to give you guys the most honest and relevant info on the real estate market here. So if you appreciate it, we would love your support if you hit the like button. Also, if you are in BC or Alberta, you can be part of our Realtor mobile plan. It starts at $50 per month and is a unlimited plan. So for more info, check out the description below. Okay, let's get into the statistics for the Calgary real estate market. And remember guys, we will be giving our advice for buyers, sellers, and investors at the end. So make sure you stick around for that.
Sales. November crushed it with 2,110 sales, the highest since November 2005, and we almost beat that. So Detached had 1,426 sales, with half happening in the $400,000 to $600,000 price range. The largest sales gains happened for properties above $600,000. SEMI-DETACHED had 211 sales, with most happening between $300,000 to $400,000. And we did see increased activity for homes priced above $700,000, which reflected more than 20% of the sales. Row and townhomes had 321 sales, and apartments had 332 sales.
Inventory. For inventory, you can see by this chart that we are at the second lowest level of inventory since 2007.
Pricing. For pricing, you can see that for detached homes, we're up 10% in November, row and townhomes were up 6%, semi-detached were up 8%, and apartments were up 1%.
Months of supply. Since our channel is growing by about 300 subscribers a month, we have new people. So I'm going to explain what this is. Months of supply is the metric we use to determine what type of market we're in. In Calgary, between 2.5 and 4 months is a balanced market. Anything less than 2.5 months is a seller's market, and anything more than 4 months is a buyer's market. For detached, we have 1.22 months, semi-detached 1.5, row and townhomes 2.07, and apartments 4.27. You can see that we are in a seller's market for virtually all property types except for apartments. Apartments are close to a balanced market, and we are seeing it stabilize the last few weeks.
Advice for buyers, sellers, and investors. So buyers, it is super competitive out there, and our team is going through multiple offers. Your offer has to be clean and it has to be strong, and you need to act fast. If you want advice on how to have a competitive advantage, then check out Jazz's video on multiple offers. We don't give all of our secrets away, so if you want our expertise to help you, and trust me, the realtor you use is imperative to your success on winning an offer, then give us a call and we will see if we are the right fit for each other.
Sellers, you guys have it good. With the right strategies and advice, you can actually set market price. Condo owners aren't quite there yet. However, we feel like the market is stabilizing. We are seeing higher pricing across the board as sellers really recognize that there is low inventory and that buyers will pay.
Investors. So this space is also competitive. And one question that we were asked that I want to share with you guys was, should I buy a resale home or a brand new build with a legal basement suite? Now, that decision is driven by one thing. What are your investment objectives? For resale homes in the inner city, you may not cash flow, you might even be negative cash flow by a few $100, but what you get is appreciation because of the land value, and you can get the highest and best use by building infills on it in the future. Now, new build homes with a legal basement suite will cash flow, but you're already getting the highest and best use, so the upside potential won't be as high as with a resale home in the inner city. So if you want to see the videos of these new builds with the legal basement suites, check out the description below. So if you have clarity with your investment objectives, your decision is very simple to make. If you need help seeking clarity, that is what we do.
And that wraps it up. Now, if you guys are interested in working with us, we want to share a few quick things. Now, Zach and I are 4:30 a.m. kind of guys. So we hit the gym for 5 and we shut it down by 8 p.m. Now, there's no reason why we can't serve you guys between 9 a.m. and 8 p.m. And if we go for showings, you can expect me to wear Lululemons because it's super comfy.
Remember to check out the description for the links and videos we referenced earlier. My name is Zach, and this is Felix from the LiveInnerCity real estate team, and we will see you in a few seconds.